Hello everyone and welcome back to Wearholic. If you're here to learn how to connect your CMF Watch Pro 2 with Strava, then you have come to the right video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to connect the CMF Watch Pro 2 to Strava using the CMF Watch app. I will also show you what data gets synced to Strava from the CMF app and share my experience with it. So watch the video till the end. Here is the CMF Watch Pro 2 in my hand. If you have the CMF Watch Pro, then you can follow along since this process also works for that model. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, make sure that your watch is properly connected to the CMF Watch app. To check this, open the app on your phone. Tap on the watch icon in the bottom menu. Here, you can see either reconnect or connected. If it says connected, then you're good to go. If it says reconnect, then tap on it and bring your watch close to your phone. This should connect your watch. Many people face the issue of their watch disconnecting from the CMF app, even when it's close to their phone. I've experienced this issue myself. There are several other bugs and negative features that I have encountered as well, and I will be making a video about them soon. If you want to know which features might not work for you, make sure to subscribe to Wearholic. Now let's get back to the Strava setup. In this case, it got connected automatically. In the CMF Watch app, tap on the profile icon in the bottom menu. At the top of this page, you will see a settings icon. Tap on it. Next, tap on the Sync with Third-Party Services. Here, you will see two options, Sync with Apple Health and Strava. You can also connect it with Google Health Connect. If Google Health Connect is not on the list, it means it is not installed on your phone. If Strava is not on the list for you, then don't worry. First install the Strava app and then you will see it here. Now, tap on Strava. At the bottom, you will see a button that either says Revoke or Sync. If it says Revoke, tap on it and you will get the sync option. Now tap on the sync button. A pop-up will appear on the screen saying CMF Watch wants to use strava.com to sign in. Tap on continue. You will see several options to sign in such as Facebook, Google, Apple or logging in with your email. At the bottom, there are options to recover your password and register as a new account. I am choosing to log in with the Google, so I tap on it and select my Google account that's connected with Strava. Now, tap on the Authorize button. And that's it. Strava is now connected with the CMF Watch app. You can see the Revoke button here, which means Strava is now connected. You might think that if the Revoke option was already there at the start, Strava was already connected. No, you need to connect it yourself with the account that is on Strava. The presence of the Revoke button initially might be a bug. You have successfully connected your CMF Watch Pro 2 with Strava. Now, let me show you what data is synced to Strava from the CMF Watch app. I have already completed some activities and synced them with Strava. I also have activities recorded by the Apple Watch SE and synced them to Strava through the Activity app. I will show you both for comparison of the matrix. This activity was recorded by the CMF Watch Pro 2. You can see we only get 4 metrics: distance, average pace, moving time and elevation gain. It also indicates the type of activity. In my case, this is a run. And that's it. This limited data might not satisfy a dedicated Strava user. Now, let's take a look at an activity record by the Apple Watch SE. You can see there are more metrics including GPS route tracking, lap-wise heart rate, numerous graphs for activity analysis, and even how much fitness you gain from this run. Clearly, there are a lot of improvements needed for the CMF Watch Pro 2 Strava syncing. As a Strava user, I'm not satisfied with these limited metrics. I want comprehensive data to analyze my activity fully. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. This is a complete setup to connect CMF Watch Pro 2 with Strava. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.